Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, True Brand. I'm RV Flipper, and today we're going to be going over another RV renovation video on this 2004 Dutchman. This one has been sold before I even started to a travel nurse that's been in my area. So she did a little bit of custom work in here. She requested a little bit of custom work, and I really just try to make it, really special for her because she's like a first responder to the COVID crisis. So without further ado, guys, let's look up at the outside, and then we're gonna hop in the inside. Let's get it. Started this business back in November. It was to do it to just help people who were in need during the corona times, people who were getting kicked out, houses that were going into foreclosures, and it was to help traveling nurses. So that's why this project was so special to me, to be doing just that. So yeah, man, it feels pretty good. Let's get in the inside. I hope you guys enjoyed this RV renovation tour. This project will be close to my heart because I am doing exactly what I set out to do with this business, which is help the people in need, like the nurses, the people who are getting kicked out. And so it really is dear to my heart that I get to actually fulfill that dream. This RV really put me to the test. I had a lot of things in here go wrong, like putting in this stove and the epoxy getting everywhere from it was just crazy, but I actually got through it, and that's why I like doing this thing, you guys. Just thinking on my feet and getting the job done. And if you guys want to learn how I'm fixing and flipping these RVs for massive profits, guys, get over to www.rvinvestingmasters.com. My masterclass will show you a step-by-step guide on how to fix and flip these RVs. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for the next build because it's coming up soon. Peace.